Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your Edifier MP260. So, you can play and pause the song by pressing play pause button. So press on it and I'm just play a song, and if you press again you will pause the song. To increase the volume, use volume up button, what located right here at the top, so press on it and I increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button, so press quickly or press and hold and you will lower the volume. To play next track, use this button, so press one time and we play next track. And to play previous track, use this button, so press again and we play previous track. Also, we have power button here. Now, we don't need a phone, so let me show it to you. We have power button to swap between these modes. Right now we have Bluetooth mode, and if I press, I will swap between these two modes. These modes I have aux also, and I can return to Bluetooth mode. Also, we have this Bluetooth button right here, so we can enter to prank mode using this button. And if we press and hold this button until your speaker is turned on, you will disconnect from your device. So just press and hold and you will disconnect. You know what, I will show it to you. So right now we have connected, yeah, and I press and hold and I disconnect my phone. Cool. Now, also we have this clock button. We can turn off this display screen by pressing, and if we press and hold, we can change this clock settings. And the last one, we have this button. So if we press, we turn on or turn off alarm clock. And if we press and hold this button, we can customize it, we can change it. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!